Okay, after the car washing, after the washing, now the washing machine works much better, I think. Okay, just some small damages. But it's not because of the washing, it's because of the previous experience. Not so bad. We have a rubber. Okay, flexible. We can remove it. Here is some small damages, but the most important is to see is it work when I put it in electricity or not. Okay, so far so good. Working, okay. Come on, baby. Something is wrong. E40. What does this mean? Let's see. E40 means the door is open. Okay. I fixed it already, I think. Let's check again. There is some noise. Come on, baby. No way. No way. Show me your top speed. Yes. That's all? Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. You are so strong, baby.